How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? As you can tell, we're starting to sand off the hood here. I'm gonna get it all sanded, let it kind of fall off naturally from here, take off the blue, and we're probably gonna go black just like the bumper. And luckily I found the code already, so we're good there. And yeah, so you guys will be in the process of that. I probably won't be doing too much actual recording, at least not that long, but we will be doing kind of updates and showing you guys how it is, and we'll go from there. Peace. All right, so far this is what we got. It's a pain in the ass to get off, I'm not gonna lie, but we've slowly started chipping away at it. I've gone through a block and this strip so far, so just gotta keep going. Peel coats are nice, but I think the way I applied mine was not the proper way, so learn from me. This is why I do this. So my peel coat worked well, but when it came time to peeling it, it just didn't want to peel, so I had to sand it off. Well, you win some, you lose some, you learn some, you get some, so there we go. You can go, boys. Just a little, hey, can't you see I'm trying to make a YouTube video, you fucks? Huh? It's like, can't you see I'm trying to make a YouTube video, you fucks? I was watching a video. Guess what? We're back. So right now, we just did one section of primer. I actually forgot the other can, so I'll do it tomorrow or another day, or whenever you guys see this. It's basically going to be in succession. And then we'll add the paint code, and then we'll go from there.
I decided I'm going to do a two-part series for this small DIY.